What is kumkum? Kumkum, on the other hand, is a ritualistic red powder used during religious ceremonies and prayers. Unlike sindoor, kumkum is not restricted to married women, men, women, children, and is even offered to idols of gods. Made from turmeric and slate lime, kumkum turns a rich red and is most often applied on the forehead between the eyebrows, known as the Ajna chakra, or the third eye. This area is believed to enhance concentration and spiritual awareness. Kumkum is also used to mark holy items, offer respect to elders, and as decorative art during festivals. Main differences between sindoor and kumkum. Feature sindoor kumkum. Purpose sign of marriage, religious and spiritual use. Who uses it? Married Hindu women only. Men, women, married, unmarried, deities. Where it's applied: hair parting, maan, forehead, Ajna chakra. Ingredients: cinnabar, turmeric, lime, sometimes lead turmeric and slate lime. Symbolism: marital status, longevity of husband, devotion, respect, third eye activation. Where each should be used. Sindoor is strictly reserved for married women and is applied daily or during festivals like Karwa Chauth, Teej, and Sindoor Khela, on the last day of Durga Puja. Applying sindoor after marriage is considered auspicious and a sign of commitment. Kumkum has broader ceremonial usage. It's used for performing tilak, during pujas, and even to welcome guests. It may also be mixed with water to decorate hands or feet in artistic patterns during weddings or temple rituals. What not to do with sindoor or kumkum? Despite their similar appearance, interchanging sindoor and kumkum is culturally inappropriate and sometimes considered offensive in traditional circles. Sindoor should never be worn by unmarried women, and it is believed to be inauspicious if shared between women. Kumkum, while more flexible, should not be used as a casual cosmetic. It is sacred and should be treated with reverence, not thrown away carelessly or stepped on. Why sindoor as a code name? Choosing the word sindoor for such a high-profile military operation might seem surprising at first glance. But considering its symbolic significance, as a mark of protection, longevity, and marital strength, the codename takes on deeper meaning. In many ways, the Indian strike was a symbolic assertion of protecting the sanctity of the nation, much like sindoor protects the sacred bond of marriage in Hindu belief. Operation Sindoor was not just a military mission, it was also a symbolic reminder of India's resolve. And while the term sindoor is trending for its role in global headlines, it's important to understand its true cultural and spiritual meaning, especially in contrast to kumkum, with which it is often confused. This video is intended for your general information only.